In this video, we'll go over how to perform refunds with You'reOnTime appointment software. And don't forget, you can find other useful training videos on our website and on our YouTube channel. Let's begin by clicking on Sales on the left side menu. On the right hand side of the screen, click on Transaction List under Actions. The Sales List pop-up will appear listing all sales performed on the current day. If the refund required is on a different date, you can search by sale date or by the invoice number. Click on the invoice number and it will load that invoice on the next screen. The sales screen will now display and list all the invoice items within that sale. To begin the refund of the specific purchase, click on the refund link on the right hand side menu. The sales screen will now be empty and in refund mode. To refund the product or service, click on the plus product or the plus service depending on what it is you are refunding. For our example, we are returning a product. Click on the plus product and select that item in the Add Product drop-down menu, remembering to make sure the quantities, price and discounts percentage are correct. Add the staff member who is performing the refund, then click Add. The item has now been added to the refund. Click Complete Sale to issue the refund. The refund pop-up will appear showing the amount to be refunded. You now have the option to select the refund payment type. Once you have chosen your preferred refund payment type, click OK. Print receipt or just close the tab to complete the transaction. Another useful tip is that you can also refund to a client's account. You'll be able to find the credit amount in the client history. You'reOnTime, helping to make your business more successful.